Okay, received this in the post from the guys at Mocardine. Opened up, I've already started opening it, so you'll see in a second there's a few things I've already unwrapped, but comes with a great brochure of all the products that they have, and the details of them as well as the color combos. And inside we have here the grip guard kit that they've now started producing. Really high quality product. Nice and thick, very rigid, very strong. Would do what it's supposed to do, which is to protect your hand. But also you'll see it comes fully wired with an integrated turn signal. Everything in the kit comes, so the wiring harness that allows you to put it in between your existing turn signal wiring harness, so you can see it here, as well as all the brackets and clips that you're going to need to put it together. So in my next video I'm going to have a go at putting it all onto my 2009 Street Glide. You can see I've got the Mocardine bag tops with the integrated speaker fittings, so I'll do another video on those later. Got standard height handlebars, and you can see normal grips, etc. on top. So this is where we're going to be placing, so I'm thinking it's going to protrude a little bit more than the bat wing of the 2009 Street Glide, but it will also give some more grip protection as well as better turn signals other than what we have down here. First step is going to be to remove the bat wing, which is about from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. 3 that we see on the top, and then there's a couple of hidden ones around the back. So I'll start off by removing those. Okay, so I've got the hand guards on. I do have standard height bars, so they are a little bit lower. I am going to be upgrading to more of an 8 hanger, maybe 14 inches, which would definitely put these above the bat wing. But even still, there's some great coverage on the sides. When you turn it on, this is where you really see the difference. This is even with the standard height bars. You're going to get a lot more light around the bike, gives you better visibility to others as well as for yourself on both sides. And what's really cool is when you do the turn signals, the white disappears and you now have a strip amber flashing. Really, really cool. When you disengage the turn signal, it then switches back automatically. Really like these. I'm on a 2009 Street Glide. The 09 Street Glide does have different wiring fittings, so you'll need to get the correct harness for 2009 and earlier. But other than that, super cool to fit, very easy. Color match is great. Let me just turn the light off. Yeah, mine is the standard Harley gloss black, and it looks fantastic. Great job, guys.